channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Fashion is a dream here, aka Matilda, and fun fact, this is my first video that I'm recording. Well, no, technically it's my second video of the year that I'm actually recording in real time, and I just thought I'd throw that out there for you guys in case you care. I don't know. Anyway, today I am super excited for today's videos. What? I am super excited for today's video because I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this braids DIY jumbo box braids. This literally took me 1 hour. I used 1.5 packs of braids, and the braids I used are this popular brand in Kenya. This is the Darling Hair Abuja braid, and this is extra long. To be honest, I wouldn't really call them extra long because this doesn't really qualify as long. I mean, these are high-waist jeans and they reach about maybe my waist. Okay, maybe they're a bit long or whatever, but they could be longer, like knee length long, okay? It was very extremely very difficult to pat the back of my head without seeing exactly what I was doing. So the braids at the back of my head look a bit chunky, but no one's really seeing that. That's why we have them down and whatever. So I could make them less lumpy next time, but I'm really happy with the result. And it's DIY, so it's not meant to be perfect. I'm not a professional hairdresser. I've seen better hair, yes, but this is who I am and this is what we're doing today, and you can do it too. Let's get that. Okay, I'm gonna let you watch the video now, which is what you came for. If you want to see how to achieve this fabulous, flawless, versatile hairstyle, keep on watching this video. To start off, I'm just parting my hair at the back without seeing what I'm doing. This was a bad idea, I realized, and then I got a mirror, as you will see in a second. But I'm just sectioning my hair off, getting rid of the unwanted hair for now, and then I took a mirror. So the trick to doing your back is making sure you have 2 mirrors, one in front of you and one you just hold up to the part you're parting, I guess. That way you're able to see what you're doing. It will not be perfect, but it helps a lot. Okay, so just basically that's what I did for most of the parts I couldn't see. Now I'm going to show you the technique. So I'm just sectioning off squares and then applying Eco Styler Gel. I probably could have gone without the Eco Styler Gel. It didn't really help the situation, made the hair flaky. I'd skip on it, just get some edge control or something. This was not a good idea. Then I'm just tying off the hair with a black rubber band. Probably elastic bands are better, but this is what I had, and we're gonna work with what we have. Then I'm just pulling at the section, as you can see, just to make sure it's tight, and then moving on to the next one. How simple is this? I mean, repeat the process, you're basically done. So just tying off this section, nothing new here, with a black rubber band. I really hope these rubber bands don't cut my hair off, because then it's going to be a big deal. Now after that's done, we're gonna get to the fun part, which is braiding. And as you can see, I'm taking that section of hair, that size. I hope that's adequate enough information. And basically what I'm doing is I'm placing the braid on top of my actual hair and using my hair as the third strand until I have no more hair, and then I pick up from the braid. Does that make sense? But just make sure you're gripping really tight. That way your hair blends in with the braid. And I basically don't know how to explain it better. Just place it on top and stop braiding until you can't braid anymore. And then I switch the hair to the front because it was easier to braid from the front. And basically you're gonna watch me braid for the next 4 minutes. Fun. So as you can see, the sections were a bit lumpy. I guess technique improves with practice. This was my first time doing my own braids, so I'm just hoping that next time I'll be better. You know, in life, you aim to be better than you were yesterday. So, but I'm not mad at it. So basically just braid away. Your hands are gonna be tired, by the way, just FYI. Yeah, that's a little side note that you should note. And braid, 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 braid. The longer you braid, the more tired you'll be, I guarantee you. Now I'm just showing you the technique again. On top of your actual hair, braid the hair with your hair as the third strand, then pick up from the braids. Got it? I'm sure it'll make sense. If you try this, it will make sense, I promise. You could definitely do under, but I found that a bit difficult. That's why I opted for the over the hair technique. So I'm just using what I'm most comfortable with, and you should do the same. So this is the over technique. So as you can see, I'm picking up hair from the sections that are bigger to the small sections and just continuing, wow, is that a word? And then I just continue to braid the hair as is. Now we are done, and I was celebrating at this point. I was tired, I was hungry, but I'd made it. I am actually surprised my pattern looks that neat. Like, oh my goodness. Anyway, that is not why you're here. But basically, that's just it. Honestly, this was one of the easiest things to do. It looks really complicated when you see someone else do it, but once you sit down and do it on yourself, it becomes, hey, DIY reference right there. Anyway, it becomes the most easy thing. So just try it. Don't be scared by how difficult the technique looks, and it will turn out amazing. I promise you. So that's it for today's video. So that's it for today's video. How simple was that? Literally, all you need is just a bit of patience and you're gonna get there. Anyway, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to film because I haven't done braids in 1.5 years. So yeah, this was fun, and I'm definitely gonna be redoing them, especially because it's cheaper to do them yourself, and I can just whip a braid out and refix it, repair it. That's what I meant to say. I forgot my vocabulary there for a minute, but yeah, you could just repair it at your own time. And I don't know if the rubber bands are gonna pull my hair. I hope not, because my edges are already thinning. But yeah, if they do, then I'm sorry. Okay, but I've seen people do this and hopefully keep their edges, but I don't think, as long as you're gentle when taking them out, it's fine, you're fine. Anyway, that's it from me today, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye! Woo!